Okay, so this is our chick life cycle exploration kit, and we're going to look at the 21-day life cycle of a chicken. Um, Here's the front of the box. We ordered ours on Amazon. On the back, you can see it shows all of the different stages of the chick. And when you open the box, there's this really cool set. Okay, so we put ours in the incubator on October the 5th. So on the 5th, it looked like this. You can't really tell. It kind of looks like what it would if you cracked it open. But right there, the nervous system, the head, eye are all beginning to form. And then on day 2, we move over to here. Looks a little bit different. There are a little bit more things that look like veins. The heart, ear, the heart and ears begin to form. On day 3, it looks like the nose, legs, wings all begin to form. We can't really see it very well though. Over here we're on day 4. It's just growing. And day 5 looks fun. That doesn't quite look like a chick, does it? Nope. The reproductive organs begin to form. And this is the day that they've already been determined whether they're going to be roosters or chickens. Okay? Can we tell in this? No, we cannot. Day 6 is fun. That's where the beak and the egg tooth begin to form. And the egg tooth is going to be really important at the end because that's the little tooth that helps them break out of the egg to come into the world. Day 7, so this is where we are today. Hold it up a little bit bigger so we can see. The comb begins to form. Do you guys know what the comb is?
It's the thing on their head.
Yeah, it's on the top of their head. Very good. Now, that's kind of neat, but I want to go ahead and go open a few more eggs. So I opened up the eggs to where we are today, day 7, but we're going to be out of school for a few days. So we've got fall break coming up. So we actually have tomorrow, which their feathers are going to start forming tomorrow. That looks way more like a little chicken, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Still not super cute and fat yet. And then Friday, while you guys are all hanging out with your families, they're going to grow a little bit more. They're going to begin to look like the bird, and they're going to be able to have a mouth opening. Saturday, day 10, their beak is going to start hardening. And then Sunday, let's see, that's day 11. Their tail feathers are going to start appearing. Same thing on Monday. So when we get back, it'll be here. And I think it's really interesting because you guys are only going to be gone 4 days. But look at the difference. So the one with the 7 is from today. The 12 is the day we get back. It's not going to feel like very long, but they're going to grow a lot while we're gone. Okay. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and go through the rest of the days to show you kind of what's going to happen. So on day 13, their claws and scales begin to appear. Day 14. Here's day 15. And a lot of the things I've seen, people will do candling. Some of you guys who had me in 2nd grade remember we did candling of the eggs, and that's where you shine like a really bright light underneath your egg, and it shines up, and if the light goes all the way through, the egg's probably not good and you can toss it out. But if they like 2/3 of the way down by that point or halfway down, if it looks dark, like there's a shadow in there, you can see that it's growing. Day 16 and 17, the feathers are covering its body. The scales, claws, and beaks also become firm. And then in day 18, the growth is almost complete. Day 19, it's kind of hard to see on this. Do you guys know what the yolk is?
Yeah.
It's that yellow part of the egg.
That's the chicken.
So on day 19, the yolk sac actually starts entering the body of the chicken. Like it starts going into its little belly, and it actually provides the nutrients that it needs. Day 20, the embryo, so the baby chick, almost takes up the whole. Here, I'll go back a little bit. Notice on day 8, this is going to be tomorrow. See how little it is? Compared to day 20, it takes almost the whole egg up as far as the space. Except for a little bit of cell of air where it can have its little beak, and it'll start pipping. So it'll take that little tooth that we talked about, and it'll start making like a hole, and it'll start tapping on the egg all the way around, and it does pip and zip. So it pips out, and then it zips around until the little egg opens, and then we are going to have little baby chickens. We're pretty excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to set this back for our class. I'm going to set this back over by our incubator so that you guys can keep track of that. Help me remember when we get back we need to open another egg. And remember, I went ahead and opened extras. So this is where we are today, and this is where we're going to be at the end of fall break, okay?